Hello everyone, we are Group 14 and welcome to the Sprint 4 Ethics component.
Hi, I am Daniel, and this is my ethical analysis for Sprint 4. About my teamwork, I check up on my teammates constantly and I meet with them with time to spare to work constantly. I also help them by carefully reviewing their pull requests and answering their questions. About the ethical implications of the product, now our app has new AI features that generate content based on user profiles. So this should have proper guardrails and should protect the privacy of the user. About the societal impact, it might have a very positive impact by creating connections between people that would not have happened otherwise. Also, we are not building it meaning to hook people's attention up. Finally, about the environment, since we have new AI features, they might increase the energy use of the application slightly when prompting LLMs, but very few tokens and small models are used.
Regarding implications in teamwork, I always ask for help when needed and I receive and give feedback in a respectful and helpful way. Regarding ethical implications of the product, all sensible data is stored for only the user to see and the use of AI is secure as it only accesses publicly available information. Regarding societal impact, our implemented micro-optimizations allow for a faster way to connect students with project leaders. And our application allows for unequal opportunities for all students. Finally, regarding the environmental impact, although we reduce the use of posters for project showcases, the use of AI has a bigger environmental impact given the servers that it must use.
Hi, this is my ethical video for this last sprint for the fourth one. So, in implications in teamwork, I have responsibility to contribute fairly, respecting deadlines and maintaining open communication. Also, I contribute fairly by meeting deadlines, reviewing pull requests, and organizing documentation to make the teamwork easier. In this case, the subgroup. The ethical implication of the product ensure that the platform does not promote unfairly prioritization to certain profiles or some faculties. Also ensuring that the data shared, for example, in Firestore is the one that the user allows to share with us. The social impact is that the platform promotes equal access to opportunities by connecting students and also increase visibility for students who might struggle finding some mentors or projects. And the environmental impact is that minimize the paper and physical resources by digitalizing the process like the CVs, portfolios, and so on.
Over the ethical implications, especially with my teamwork, I contributed on the follow up of important dates related with the sprint, and I was open to communicating and participating with my other teammates on what they were doing with the sprint. For the ethical implications of the product, we collect necessary data and we also have consent over it, and we avoid any misuse of data, especially with sensitive data. For the sociality impact, it generates new opportunities for the students, which enforces multidisciplinary work and generates a new sense of visibility of the students for all the people in the academic background, such as teachers. And for the environmental impact, it reduces the use of any organic resources like paper. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Maria Paula Murillo. The ethical implications of my teamwork is that I promote transparent communication, ensuring that every team member perspective was respected and that decisions were made collectively and fairly. Now, the ethical implications of the product is that the app must ensure unbiased matching and avoid reinforcement inequalities, providing all students with a fair and inclusive experience. And now, the societal impact is that the app strengthens academic connections by enabling meaningful interactions between the students and faculty, contributing to a more collaborative and informed university community. And lastly, the environmental impact is that by digitalizing processes traditionally done on paper, the app reduces material waste and contributes to a more eco friendly recruitment ecosystem. Thank you.
The app promotes student networking with a clear social purpose, designed to close the knowledge gaps using a structure, peer collaboration. It must uphold ethical data use, privacy, consent, and protection of academic reputation. The app And the platform also can shape academic bets, so it can prioritize digital identity, trust, and transparency. Finally, when we're running on a Firebase serverless and avoiding a redundant compute, it keeps a low environmental footprint and minimizes the energy consumption.